Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to get this advanced Android launcher on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video.
So just download high-tech launcher from the Play Store first, and you can get this super animated cool launcher theme on this exact launcher setup. I'm just going to show how to do this, and you can find at the top you can find the Google search widget, followed by the time widget, and followed by the weather widget, and it's super cool animated arc reactor on the center, which look like a arc reactor or clock. In the bottom section you can find a battery percentage, and in the this look actually cool, and in the second page you can find all the application. It's a app drawer, and followed by music player. Just need to swipe to get all the necessary things. Just go to the setting option, go to the theme section, just swipe down, and you can find this theme on the theme number 11. So just click on the theme and just apply the theme. That's it. You just need to simple it automatically apply the wallpapers. If you just need to change the wallpaper, you can just change the wallpaper on the settings. So this is a super cool launcher theme. You just need to go to the download the launcher, just go to the theme and just apply the theme. You can get the exact theme setup or the exact mobile Android launcher setup on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day ever.